Hey yo!
What'd you get?
I don't know.
Oh, it's the cutest dinosaur ever.
Is this?
And where it says EI094, you want that part too?
No.
Okay, we'll cut that part out. Alright, we'll do this in just a second. I'm gonna put them right here. We're gonna go until we have 5 winners. I don't know where my scissors are. We'll figure it out in a minute. 7. Alright, you ready to do a hard one?
Yeah.
4. M to the 4th, N to the 3rd, P to the 3rd, all over. 3. M squared, N squared, P to the 4th. Talk to your partner. Cancel them out in your head. By the way, 4/3 stays 4/3. It's just like a regular fraction. 4 on top, 3 on the bottom. Talk. Get out of here, fly. You said you don't want the number on there, right, Sam?
Are you full?
I mean,
Do you want the weird number or no?
I don't know. I don't care.
You decide.
Just take it out.
What did you?
This is
Make sure you're talking to your partner. Working silently next to each other does not work. We'll do one with negatives in just a second. Or were you subtracting? Okay. All right, look up. 4/3 stays. 4 M's on the top, 2 M's on the bottom. Cancel out to how many M's? 2 on the top. 3 N's on the top, 2 N's on the bottom. Cancels out to 1 N on the top. You can just write N or N to the first. 3 P's on the top, 4 P's on the bottom. That's 1 P on the bottom. If instead you did subtraction, you should not be subtracting that 3 and that 4 because those aren't powers. It should have been M to the 4th minus M squared, which is M squared. 3 minus 2, which is N to the 1st. 3 minus 4 is P to the -1, right? And then that one would go on the bottom, which would make these the same answer. Either one's okay. You can do subtraction. I prefer to cancel out in my head, but everybody's different. Any bingos? What was that? J. Like Jumanji. Jumanji! Don't you do it. Don't you tell me. I will absolutely not pick yours. All right, next up. -2. M to the 6th over T squared Z. And then I want you to put parentheses around that whole thing, and we're going to put that all to the 5th power. I want to talk about this one.
Wait, what's before the square?
Yep, that's T squared Z. All right, now I'm going to lead you through this one, so look up. Do you remember how something on the outside kind of goes to each thing? But this has a first power, and that has a first power. So I'm going to distribute that 5 to all of them. So this equals -2 to the 5th power, M to the 30th power, T to the 10th, Z to the 5th. Now, can I combine an M and a T and a Z? No, but I do know what -2 to the 5th power is, which is what? -32, because it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, but -2, and there's 5 negatives, so that's -32 on top. M to the 30th, T to the 10th, Z to the 5th. Which one's that?
D.
D, like dang.
And that's the bingo.
Ooh, bingo for Nathan. Bingo for Gustavo.
Gosh, dang it.
Anyone else? Take them out, guys. What are you thinking? Farm animal, I'm a winner.
Only farm animal I accept is a goose.
One more.
We're doing it? You going for a tattoo?
So this one I can.
Aww, look at you. All right, we'll put it on in a second.
Okay.
All right, looks like we're doing one more. X to the fourth, y to the third times, parentheses, negative y squared, parentheses to the 0. What should we do first? I'm distributing that 0 power. That's x to the fourth, y to the third times 2 to the 0 power and y to the 0 power. Who said 1 over there? You were right. You could have immediately called this 1 because that's going and that's going. You could just say they're multiplying it by 1, which is keeping it the same. So the final answer of this one is x to the fourth, y to the third, which is S, like snake. Who been good? Philip, yes. Philip, you want a winter sign or an animal or a tattoo?
What's that?
This is a tattoo, so it like goes on your arm. Who's got a tattoo on right now?
Harley does.
Go Carly. Carly, see?
I will take the book.
Yes, you can. All right. No nonsense from this teacher. I don't want that. All right. Your homework is page. And you remember how I said I was going to be nice today? I'm actually going to be nice. Page 32, numbers 11 through 34. These ones are just as fast as what we just went through. Some of them are very fast. But this assignment is due on Thursday. In the next 2 days, this section is really long, so every day I'll just add a few more problems. So I'm starting with 11 through 34. What if you're not done with it by tomorrow? That's fine, we're not going over it. Then tomorrow we'll do some more of this R point, what are we on, R.3?
Yeah.
R.3 day 2, and then I'll add a couple more problems to this. And then third day I'll add a couple more problems, and then Thursday we'll check it all in. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so you've got the remaining 18 minutes right now to work. What if you're not done with the homework that was due today? Could you work on that? Yes, and I won't be angry. Okay, how'd this go? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Who wants a copy of my notes? Okay, I'm gonna make copies anyway. What's up?
What was the other number? In case we want to go ahead and start.
Um,
When is this due?
Monday.
next Monday, the 18th. Hold on, Gustavo.
I was just trying to go.
Hey, yo.
One, and then write it down.
Why? What copy is that? Oh, well, yeah.
Because I wrote down.
I took your marker too at Michael.
What's the bathroom?
Just grab a pass.
This one.
Yeah.
Was stats too tomorrow?
Stats is due tomorrow. All right, people who got a tattoo, come on up.
I have one question with that. You mean there 5 and there 2?
Yeah, like X is 2 and Y, these are points, so X, Y points.
Okay.
If you were to draw a line,
Yeah.
how long?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Stay on?
Yeah.
Look how dumb that one is. I mean, awesome. It's like a cat
What is it?
dancing with shoes. The first 2017. I have no idea.
Can I go give this to Jordan?
Yes.
It's
You know what this? This is all?
You should get that.
To my desk. Where are we going? Middle of your neck.
Let's go with the roll.
Right below it. So you can show how much you love that cat.
Yeah.
Hey, girl.
Since it's two separate colors and,
That's fine.
Yeah.
Turn it.
okay.
It does, like it's not even half, like the ones you were showing earlier were like half, so like a cool gradient, that's like, it's not even like. It doesn't even sense.
Do you have the,
Some number ones are blue, some are blue.
Like you didn't even go back and forth with blue and green.
Oh, I got one.